Hi! Welcome to Luxury in Moderation, where we appreciate the finer things in life without going overboard. Today, I just wanted to do a really quick unboxing of my new iPhone 13 because I thought some of you might like to see that. So this is the box here, and this is not a tech channel whatsoever. If you're new here, hi, my name is Joanne, and usually every week I talk about luxury handbags and other luxury lifestyle products. So, I mean, I do consider an iPhone a luxury item, and it is a really beautiful item that I wanted to share with you. I got the baby pink, and I thought it was just so gorgeous. But if you're interested in this kind of content, please make sure to like this video and subscribe below, and let me know what other kind of videos you would like to see. I tried to include some helpful information as well, such as what this phone will fit into, because it is the largest phone that I have had so far. I know the iPhone 12 had the same specs. And again, I got the regular iPhone 13, not the Max, not the Pro. So hopefully you'll find this video interesting and helpful.
So this is the box. It's very thin now because they don't provide like headphones or chargers or anything with it. So then you have to untape the top and the bottom. So after that, wow, just immediately right there. And this is the new baby pink color. And this is in the just regular size, not max, not mini. Let's peel this off. And that's the charger, buttons on the side, 2 cameras at a diagonal, screen button, and oh, look, there is a cord here, but they don't have the piece that connects into the wall. So they said that I would need to buy a new connector here because it is not the same as the iPhone SE, which is the one I am going to trade in. This is the little tool to get your SIM card out. And then that's it. Now I wanted to also check what this phone could fit because I haven't had a phone of this size yet. I know it's the same size as the iPhone 12, but I did not experience that. So I just took out the smallest bags that I have, which included my Chanel WOC. So as you can see, it still fits perfectly fine inside there. Still lots of room. Again, this is not the max size. I also sometimes try to put my phone in here, but now it's just a little bit too thick. You can see it won't go in the front slip pocket, and I will be putting a case on it, which makes it even more thick. So I definitely won't be able to use this for my phone anymore, which is what I had been using. Now the back slip pocket is very small. I sometimes do try to put my phone in temporarily, and it does stick out quite a lot, so it's not very secure. That's why I would never do this long term. And it looks again to be just a little too thick, so I wouldn't want to use this for my phone. That will make using this wallet on a chain a little bit more difficult because if I do need to be hands-free, I will have to, again, open it and put it inside versus if I could have just stuck it in somewhere on the back. The other small bag I have is my Bottega Veneta knot clutch. So it will definitely fit inside. You can see how big the bag is compared to the phone. But let's just open it up and see here. Fits very well. I will again have a case on this, and it will still have tons of room in there. So there you have it, my new iPhone 13
Guys,
unboxing.
I actually also got my case ready for my new iPhone 13, and I got another accessory, the ring that can stick onto any case. I actually really like this case. You can't really see it, but there are little glitters throughout the clear
plastic. So I'll link this below. It was super cheap from Amazon and it works so well. So I really recommend it.
So that's it for today, guys. This was just a quick bonus video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next regularly scheduled luxury bag programming. Bye!